Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring location services and connectivity are on, because Maps needs real-time positioning. Once done, open Google Maps and type your destination in the search bar. This tells the app where you want to go. Make sure your start point is correct, either your current GPS location or a manually entered address, since routes change based on origin. Press the Directions button to move immediately into route selection, so you can choose travel mode next. Now you choose how you travel and why. Driving minimizes time, transit can save money, walking avoids traffic. Tap the appropriate mode icon to filter options. Once done, compare available routes by estimated time, distance, tolls, and live traffic colors. This helps you pick the fastest or simplest path. After selecting a route, preview the step-by-step directions and estimated arrival time so you know major turns and transit transfers before you start moving. Begin navigation by pressing Start so you get voice guidance and live updates. This keeps your eyes on the road while you listen for upcoming turns. Make sure to follow lane guidance and pay attention to notifications that offer alternative routes when delays occur, then accept a suggested detour if it saves time. If navigation stops or GPS drifts, try toggling location services or restarting the app, and then re-enter the destination to resume. This quick reset usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.